morning, Tail travelers, and welcome to Ao Nang, Krabi, Thailand. It is 6:15 in the morning. I am just up enjoying the sunrise views from our little villa here, our Airbnb. And the plan today is, it's 25 degrees out right now, which is considered to be a cool morning for this time of year. It's supposed to be 38 degrees this afternoon with 57% humidity, so not gonna be super conducive for adventures. So we're gonna go and do like an early morning adventure today. Plan is to hopefully grab a longtail boat and do a little bit of island hopping, because that is a fun thing and beautiful thing to do in this area. So if you are interested in enjoying the views and coming along with us and just seeing how we navigate all of that, definitely do that. Hit that like and subscribe button. If you love Thailand content, there's so much of it here, and let's just get this day started. So our first stop was Tub Island, or Koh Tub. The ride out there first thing in the morning was absolutely beautiful, and we got there just before high tide to enjoy the beach. This is a beautiful spot to lay out and enjoy the views, but do be prepared to dodge some jellyfish, especially at this time of year. We spent about an hour at Koh Tub before the tide completely covered the beach, and then we went back to our longtail boat to enjoy our pre-packed breakfast and those ocean views. So we stopped to get breakfast stuff along the way to the boat. We got like Gatorade, we got some pastries, some pre-cut fruit, we've got apple slices, and the fave, pomelo. From Koh Tub, we then made our way out past Chicken Island and then over to Poda Island, a trip that took roughly 15 minutes or so. So because of like the big waves that are on the actual beach on Poda Island today, we were dropped off on the opposite side and then given instructions to follow this path across. There's only really one path to follow, so I don't think we can get it wrong. But just in case, we're following this little crew in front of us who, I don't know, they seem confident. Poda Island is another beautiful island in the national park that can get busy if you don't time your trip just right, but we seem to be there just at the right time in the morning. This beautiful beach also has quite a bit more amenities than we expected, including bathrooms, snack bars, and seating areas. Another popular stop that you can add or do on its own is Railay. We've been to Railay many times before, so we decided not to go on this tour with our little one, but I would definitely recommend checking it out or staying at a hotel there if time allows. And I'll be sure to link some of my Railay videos for you to check out in the description below. Okay, so we are home from the beach and island hopping and everything now. That was the most beautiful day. Hot tip, make sure that you always have a lot more exact change or small bills than you think that you're going to need. We thought that we had ample, and then by the time that we had like paid our driver, tipped our driver, got into our Grab or essentially Uber to come back to our villa, we got here and we were like 50 baht short for the cash that we needed to pay. Our credit card was not working on the Grab app, so we had to pay in cash. We couldn't find like anyone to change. The driver didn't have change. The hotel lobby didn't have change. Like nobody had change. It was just absolute chaos. We got it figured out, but it was a rookie mistake. So I just thought this is my time to get on here and remind you that, like, yeah, at the end of a long, hot tour, the last thing that you need to be dealing with is like that. So small bills as much as you can. A great place to like get your 1,000 baht bills changed into smaller change is 7-Eleven. Go in there, grab something small, and they'll change that for you. And yeah, just always. But all of that said, we are happy to be back. Really glad that we did the tour in the morning because it has gotten really hot now and humid and just all the things. So we are going to be taking it easy for the rest of the afternoon. I'm gonna leave this video here, but I did just want to give you the quick details for our boat tour today. We decided on a private boat, private Longtail boat service just because of the prices of speedboats and things like that. And our 2-year-old isn't a huge fan of speedboats. We thought the Longtail might go better. We spent a total of 2,000 baht, so that's about $72 Canadian for the full tour to have the same boat driver the whole way around. We sort of got to move at our own pace, which was really nice. Stop for food or do kind of whatever we wanted in the time that we had that driver. And normally, like, that is a little bit pricier, but we like to sort of have our own thing going on and not have to worry about like disrupting other people if things with our kiddo aren't going quite as well as we imagined, although she did great. But you can put up to 6 in a boat, I believe, 4 or 6 in a boat. I think it was 6. So if you were here with like a group of people, compared to spending like 200 baht per person here and there to get from one island to the next and back and all of those things, to get the private Longtail would be a totally affordable option. So I would definitely recommend looking into that before you like go booking a whole big like speedboat tour kind of thing. And the islands that we chose are fairly close to the shore as well, so you're not going super far. It's just like a nice, beautiful, leisurely spot. Poda was definitely our favorite, and yeah, would definitely recommend it. So I am going to leave this video here. If you've not already hit that like and subscribe button, definitely do it. I post new travel content every Sunday while we're traveling, and yeah, lots of Thailand content here and lots more to come. So I hope to see you around. Drop a comment, say hi, and until I see you in the next video, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you then. Bye guys.